Ever wondered how fast a rocket flies or how quickly a ball rolls down a hill? These are perfect examples of what calculus helps us understand, how things change over time and space. Calculus has two main ideas: differentiation and integration. Differentiation tells us how fast something changes at any given moment, like instantaneous speed or the steepness of a slope. Integration is about adding up many small pieces to find a total quantity. Imagine calculating the total distance traveled by a car or the entire area under a curve. It's like summing up countless tiny contributions to get a grand total. Let's visualize these concepts. When we want to find out exactly how fast a car is going at this precise moment, not just its average speed, that's differentiation in action. It gives us the exact rate of change. And when we determine how much water has filled a tank over a specific period, accumulating drop by drop, that's integration. It helps us calculate the total quantity added up over time. These principles are fundamental to understanding our world. Calculus isn't just for textbooks. It's used everywhere. From designing thrilling roller coasters to precisely launching rockets into space, calculus helps scientists and engineers make things move and function flawlessly. It's the secret behind so much of the technology we use daily. At BrightCHAMPS, we believe learning big math ideas like calculus should be an exciting adventure. We make complex concepts fun and easy to understand for every child. Join a free live demo class and discover how your child can unlock their potential, learning math through engaging stories, interactive games, and creative problem solving.